Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me for another math session. So this is the second part of the topic data handling. So let us see the next exercise, that is exercise 6.2. So here what does this say? That the following pictograph shows the number of students playing different games in a school. And the scale is given here. Look at the scale. This is a pictograph, that is, this represents that will be 100 students. Now the table has been given over here. So these are the games and these are the number of students. Now you have to count the number. This one represents 100 students. So this will be 100, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. These are the seven pictures, right? So what we have to do, 7 multiplied by 100, and that is going to be 700. Now again here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 multiplied by 100, that will be 800. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 multiplied by 100, that is again going to be 800. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 multiplied by 100, and that is going to be 1000 students. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is going to be 6 multiplied by 100. That is going to be 600 students. Hope you got this one. So now we are going to see the questions based on that one. Read the pictograph and answer the following questions. Which is the most preferred game among the students? Most preferred game. So you have to see where is the main here. What you can see here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are 1000, right? Students here. So we can say hockey. They are just asked for the name of the game. Find the number of students playing Kho-Kho. So where is Kho-Kho here? Kho-Kho is on the first place here. So here how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 into 100, that is going to be 700 students. How many more students play Kabaddi than swimming? So first we'll see Kabaddi and this is swimming. So this is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 800. And swimming is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what are you going to do? You will do 800 minus 600. That will be 200 students. How many less students play Kho-Kho than basketball? So Kho-Kho is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And basketball 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means this is 800 minus 700. That will be 100 students. Which two games are played by an equal number of students? Can you see where is the equal number of students? These are equal. So we can say Kabaddi and basketball. So find the total number of students playing these games. So here, how many students are there? Total are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So 39 multiplied by 100. So that is 39 multiplied by 100. That is going to be 3,900 students. So for the following pictograph shows the choices of juice of the students of a class. So here the scale is given. This is the glass over here, and this is that represent 14 students. So now let us see here. This is for orange, grape, pineapple, and pomegranate. So these are the number of students. So they said how many students choose apple juice. So now apple juice are how many? These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one represents 14. So 14 multiplied by 6. So that is going to be 84. So 84 students choose apple juice. Now which type of juice is liked by the least number of students? So can you see the least number means this is 2. That will be 20. This will be 14 into 2. That will be 28. So which type of juice? We just have to mention the juice. That is the grape juice. So which type of juice is liked by the most number of students? So most means we have to see the maximum here. This is, what is that? That is orange juice. These are the juices in an increasing order of their preference. So now increasing order means it will be small to big. So this will be first, this is going to be second, this is going to be third, and this is going to be fourth. So grape, pomegranate, apple, and then grape, pomegranate, apple, and then orange. So hope you got this. Because now why do we put this sign? Because pomegranate is more than grape. Then again here apple is more than the pomegranate, and orange is more than the apple over here. So this is called, just we put this symbol for that. So the increasing means small to big. The following pictograph shows the number of motorbikes sold by a company during the last 6 months. So this is a motorbike. This indicates that they are 100. So it's given over here. This question is given months and the number of bikes sold in January, February, March, April, May, and June. These are the number of motorbikes. We have to, one picture says that that is equivalent to 100 bikes. So now let us see the question based on this. In which month was the sale maximum? So can you see here? Here we can see the maximum number of bikes. So in January, the sale was maximum. Now in which one was the sale minimum? We can see here only here. This was minimum. So that we can say as April. Find the total number of bikes sold in February. So now see here, February means now it's here. Now they said this indicates for 100 bikes. The scale is given. So 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 into 100 is going to be 600. And this half stands for 50 bikes. So 600 plus 50, that is going to be 650 bikes. So find the total number of bikes sold in May and June together. So now look at here. May, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are this one. So 5 into this is 100. So we can write here 5 into 100, and this is the half part, means this is going to be 500 plus that will be 550. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will be 7 into 100, that will be 700. So what are you going to do? This 550 plus 700 means that is going to be 550 plus 700, which is going to be 1250. So did you get this one? 550 plus 700, that is 1250. The number of tourists visited Manali from May to September is given below. Represent this information in the form of a pictograph. So these are the table given. And what is the hint given? Scale of 1000 people is equal to one picture. So any picture you can just put it. So just I put the picture of a circle. You can put any picture if you want. So now see here, what did I give the scale as? This scale is important, that this circle says that that is 1000 people because one picture. So I have put here one picture. It can be any shape. So that is 1000 people. So now see here, this is the question given here. This is 8000. 8000 means 1 is for 1000. So for May, what did I put here? 1000 means it should be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 because it is 8000. Now 9500. So for June, it is 9500 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 into 1000 will be 9000, and this is going to be half. So now look at this one. This is for 10,000. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 into 1000, that is going to be 10,000. Now for August, 7,500. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 into 1000, that will be 7000, and this half, so 7500. And for September, they said 2500. So we will put here 2 for 2000, and this is the half part. So hope you got this. They just said that you have to represent it in the form of a pictograph. So this is what you have to show along with the scale. The next charts, they say that the number of people using a particular model of a cell phone in a town in different years is as follows. So this is the question given over here. And draw a pictograph taking the scale in which one picture represents 10,000 people. So now this here, we will just take the scale again. I just took as a circle. You can take any shape. So now this is representing, they said that is 10,000 people. So again, I took this one, this 2014, 15, 16, 17, 18. Same I wrote over here in one column. And now it is 30,000. 30,000 means one picture is 10,000. So we'll take 3 pictures, 1, 2, 3. That will be 30,000. Again, this is 40,000. So 4 pictures, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 60,000. So 6 pictures, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this is 90,000. So we need 9 pictures because 10,000 nines are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is 1 lakh. So we need 10 pictures. So these are the 10 pictures. So by this way, we have completed this exercise. So please do like and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notification of the other parts of this chapter and many more. Thank you.